guys, today we're back with Minecraft! So, today we're gonna be surviving a bunch of creepers. So yeah, I realized I have not continued my dumb Minecraft series, so I'm continuing it now because I've just suddenly remembered it. Oh! Oh my god! Oh! Oh! They're everywhere! No! Please get away! Please! Please! I died! Oh! Oh! Get away! No! No! This is the worst place to spawn. This is the... Ah! I'm surrounded! Hold on, let me just spawn all my creepers. Okay, there's a whole line of creepers! What am I supposed to do? There's an army of creepers chasing me. It's the Suicide Squad. Oh my gosh! Wait, is the Suicide Squad from Marvel? Is it from I forgot. I think it's from Marvel. Or is it DC? Or is it a completely... I don't know. I just know about Suicide Squad. I just know about Suicide Squad. I just died. Even though I haven't watched it. I just wanted to say that. Because these guys are like... They just blow themselves up. Like that one Pokemon. They just self-destruct. Whoa! You see that? Oh, you see this? You see that? You see this? You see that? That's why Steve was added in Ultimate Smash Bros. How's this creeper not blown up yet? Dude! Okay, now it blows up. And I'm dead! I'm done. I'm dead. Oh! 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 How did you not blow up? He's like, I'm not gonna self-destruct. I don't want to die. Oh! This is literally... He didn't even explode once! That's why Steve is added in Smash Bros. Whamam! Oh, have I sneaked? Oh! What the do? What the Dalmatian was that? Oh! And I died. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Hold on. Okay, I'm ready now. Bring it on! So yeah, I have blast protection, netherite armor, so these guys are a cakewalk now. Only half a heart! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Sneak attack! I'd like to see you guys try to kill me. Whoa! That's a ton of creepers. Oh my gosh. Come on, you cowards! Oh gosh. Oh no, 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 no. Whoa, okay. Okay. Oh, no! Whoa! That was sick. That was cool. Oh my gosh, I am... Kill me! Kill me! Have a heart! Okay, now I got enchanted golden apples. Oh, he almost blew up. They're like bomb-bombs. They're like bomb-bombs. They just self-destruct. Whoa! Someone just sneak attacked on me. God! What? Okay, that's a real sneak attack. Chicken jockey. Some creeper better not sneak attack on me. Oh my god! I just got blown back. Oh my gosh, he died. Oh my god, how did he not explode there? 3, 2, 1, go. Hey! Oh my god. No! Okay, now we got a real challenge. A whole line of creepers. Go! Out of my way! Oh my god, he just blew up. Okay, let's try to kill all of these guys. Ah, YOLO! Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, now we've got a challenge, alright. Guys! Ah! Jeez. Okay, these guys are actually a challenge. Ah! Die! Die! No! How did he? That was so delayed. What the heck? Oh! Please. Please. Stop! Oh. No, stop! Oh my gosh. Fight me, you cowards! I know you are truly weak and stuff. Whoa! Okay. Oh! Okay, that was not scary. That wasn't funny. Why did I say scary? No! Die! I think my game is lagging. I think that's why they're delayed. Whoa! Oh my god, one heart. Let me just kill this creeper. If I don't die and I can kill this creeper, I'm ending the video. If I can't, yeah, all right. I think that's it. Alright, I think I'm gonna end the video right there. I hope you had a great time. So, bye!